Good evening, friends. Nalinakshi Swami here. Actually, Nifty played the same script what it played on the on which day? Monday. But the script, there was little modification in the script. I'm going to explain it to you. Morning it opened. Open is equal to low. You can, oh no, sorry. Open is equal to high. It is a clear open is equal to high. 18,296.4 and high was also the same thing. So it was a clear indication of the sell-off. And if you would have taken put option, 18,300 put option, you would have got around 68 rupees or something. It ran up to throughout the day till 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock, they played the same script what has been played on the Monday. Around 12:15, you can see here 12:15. Here around 12:15, still it was undergoing through same consolidation range. It did not break down. Instead of breaking down, it tried to move up. Tried to move after 1:30. It started moving up, deceiving the people. So they induced buyers into the market and they trapped, and then finally they plummeted it to the down. Finally, they have closed at the low of the day. It has been closed at the low of the day, 18,120. 119.05, and it made a low of 18,117.50, and it has closed a little bit higher than that. So the same script. So what you can observe is you can see Nifty is trading in a range. This is a diagonal shape range. What is Nifty is doing? So this is the level. This was the level where it had gapped down. That is a very important level, 17,972, and break above this range. So it came inside the range on Monday to test the level of 18,067, and again it made an higher high going past 18,257, and it has gone 18,290. So the play is nowhere. Actually, it is a range. So here the same script has been played, but in a different way. They trapped the buyers and they plummeted down. Here straight away it went down and it was huge. Buyers came in. Probably institutional buyers came into the market. They pushed the market to the high, to the almost to the opening of the Monday's opening, and they closed it. It gapped up and it has come down back to this level. So it is at the diagonal support of the market. So if it breaks below this range, it can come down to this level. There are many levels over here. It can come down to 18,053, 18,040. So still market is playing in a range. Actually, you can see this is the first level, and after that unable to sustain above that level. Price is not able to sustain above the level of 18,174. So it is closing below this level, 18,174, and it is here. So tomorrow is expiry. We need to see whether this person, this is an institutional candle, is going to hold this level this level will be held. Probably they may hold this level 17,970 may be held tomorrow, or otherwise if it breaks below this level, there will be a sell-off. There will be a sell-off. It may come down to this level. It may come down to trap this level. So it is a break above the level. If it breaks below this level, this is the support for the market, 17,849. We do not know whether they will do it on the expiry day. Probably it may expire within this range, within the range of 17,964 to 18,167, somewhere between the range. The later course of the direction in the market will be defined on Friday. The next for the next weekly, fresh weekly option chain will start. Then there will be a range will be defined. So if I shift the time frame, see, it is nothing but it is a range. The play was little bit different. Straight away fall and closing at the open, and here trapping the people and closing at the bottom. It has been closed at the bottom, range low and range high. Okay, morning it gapped up and opened at the range high, and it is closed at the range low. So suppose if it breaks down below this range, this is the support, major support for the Nifty. That comes around 18,040. If it violates that, then probably it may not violate. So you may look for this level for the reversal. Let me check with the volume profile to see for the point of control. POC is around 18,054. 18,054. Suppose if the market gaps down to this level, 18,054 and 18,018, there will be some sort of reversal you can see. And also let me check the point of control in this range. Within this range, the point of control comes to the level of 18,201. Probably the range may be from 18,035 to 25 to 18,200 may be the range for the Thursday. We may find this. It may expire or it may push a little bit higher also. So if you would have traded properly, if you would have taken PE in the morning, you would have been profitable, ended with the profit. Okay, friends, Nalinakshi Swami signing off. Try to see the price action. Don't jump into the market. So if you define the ranges, if you define the boundaries, you will be a successful trader. Thank you very much. Nalinakshi Swami signing off.